Hey everyone, Technomentary here. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix iPhone auto brightness not working by following these troubleshooting steps. So let's get started. The very first thing is we want to make sure that auto brightness is actually enabled. So in order to check that, you're going to go into your settings and then go to accessibility and then display and text size and then scroll all the way down is auto brightness setting. You're going to make sure it is on. Now, if it is on, we simply want to turn it off for a moment and then turn it back on, and then make sure that the setting is toggled or resynced. Now, if it's still not working, the next thing you want to go ahead is go back to the main thing. Is you want to make sure if you have something covering, especially the sensors up top, that you remove it, especially if you have like a damaged, broken screen protector or even a case that could be blocking that section. You're going to remove that. Also take a microfiber cloth, lock the phone, and simply wipe it down clean. Make sure there's no dust, oil, dirt, or lint that could be blocking it, as if the sensors are blocked up there, the brightness setting will not work, especially the auto brightness one. Now, after you have checked that, the next thing you want to check out is if you have low power mode, we need to disable that. So in your setting, click on battery and then look for the battery power mode. If you have this setting turned on, we need to turn it off because it will reduce certain functionality like the brightness level, as says it right here. So we want to turn that off as well. Now, after you have done that, the next thing you want to go ahead and do is simply go back into the main settings. And this time we're going to actually go to display and brightness and quickly look at the brightness level here. You want to just move this around a little bit just to toggle it on to make sure the setting is adjusting automatically. And then the next thing you want to do is turn off true tone temporarily, and then night shift, if you have it on, you want to turn that off as well. And then later on, if you see it's working, you can turn it back on. This is just a quick test to make sure it's not interfering. Now, the next thing you want to do is simply go ahead and restart your phone. You can do this by using the volume up and the side button. Just press and hold together at the same time. Slide to power off, or you can do it from the top here, power icon up here. Just go ahead and enter that, and then from there on you're going to go ahead and power off and then use the side button to power back on, which is a simple restart. Now, after you have done that, the next thing you want to do is go into your setting, and then this time we're going to go ahead into general software update, and we're going to update the phone software. Sometimes a previous update might be causing issues with the brightness level. I'm going to go ahead and make sure the latest update version. Now, if none of this is working, we may need to reset the settings. So in this method, we're going to go into our settings, go to general, scroll all the way down to transfer reset iPhone. We're going to click on reset, and we want to do a reset of all settings. Enter our device passcode, and after that, we're going to reset the settings. This will not delete your data, but an important step to do. Finally, if none of these are working, most likely there could be a hardware issue with especially the sensor. In that case, it just is something you need to get it repaired, or if you had done a screen replacement, sometimes auto brightness could be an issue. And I hope this video was helpful, so please consider a like and subscribe button for more tips and tricks, and thanks for watching.